Are down payment assistance programs a scam? Well, the real answer is, if you watch any of my videos, is it depends. So down payment assistance programs are great. I actually used one to buy my very first house. And so what people have to understand is that down payment assistance programs are not necessarily on their face bad. There is just pros and cons to different programs, and there's so many different ones out there. And so you just really have to understand exactly what they look like and how they operate. Let me help you understand a few different aspects of down payment assistance programs, and so you can kind of understand a few more questions to ask when you're looking into them. So number one, understand if it is a grant or if it is a forgivable loan or if it is a silent second. So there is a few different ways that down payment assistance programs can be done. Some of them are literally straight grants. And so what I mean by straight grants is that means that they give you the money and there's no requirement for you to stay on the property for a period of time or anything like that. Then you also have forgivable loans. And so what that means is that basically as you live in the house, certain amount of the money is forgiven every single year until eventually it's all forgiven and then you don't owe anything back for down payment assistance. And then some of them are what's called silent seconds. And what that means is that attached to the title of the property, okay, they come behind as a mortgage. They're not charging you any interest or anything like that. But when you do go to sell the property, then you actually do owe this money back, okay? And they're going to get paid on it, okay? And so please understand that a lot of people have this old idea or adage that down payment assistance means free money. A lot of times, as you know, there's not really a whole lot in life that is free, right? There's no such thing as a free lunch. There's always some sort of, thing attached. With the grants, it's typically that the government has a certain amount of money that they do need to give away. They need to give it away to very specific people in order to keep their program. So that's what the catch is, if you will. And so, yes, they give them away as grants, right? Some of the other ones are like we've had ones where basically they drive the interest rate. And so you're going to have to accept fairly high market interest rate in order to be able to get this money. And sometimes it's a grant and sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's like a forgivable loan. And so there are a lot of aspects that go into down payment assistance programs. Like I said, some of them are kind of like a scholarship where you have to meet very specific criteria and apply and be approved. And some of them are as long as you're a first-time homeowner and you have a certain credit score, and that's it, right? And so they really, truly run the gamut. We get asked about them all the time, and I'm not pro or anti down payment assistance. I think that, like anything else, when we're talking about money and we're talking about financial and we're talking about goals, is what are the customer's goals? Like, what are we looking at? Where are they at currently? Where's their current financial position? Do they need the down payment assistance? Do they qualify for it? Does it potentially negatively affect anything else? Like, they're going to have to pay it back regardless, right? It's a silent second. So maybe they would just rather deal with it right now and pay the down payment right this second, right? Is it going to negatively affect their interest rate? And if it is, does that matter to them? Is it going to create a problem with the payment for them? And so there is a lot of different aspects when it comes to down payment assistance programs that a lot of people don't take into account. And it's why I preach so frequently and so often that you need to select a true expert, somebody who's actually in your corner, who actually feels their fiduciary responsibility to advise you. Because the truth of the matter is, not all programs work for all people. I mean, it's ridiculous to think with how many humans there are on the planet that everybody should fit in the same box. And like, oh, well, you're a first-time home buyer, so everybody should just fit in this down payment assistance qualification box. Life doesn't work that way. And definitely not mortgage programs that work that way either. And so if you're not dealing with an expert, then likely what's going to happen is you might end up in one of these programs. And you might realize after the fact, oh man, I took like a way higher interest rate for that and I didn't need to. And now I'm like struggling with the payment because of it, right? Or you might end up saying, no, actually, that was a great decision on my part, right? It freed up a little bit more cash. I was able to hold on to that. I don't care that I'm gonna have to pay that back when I sell the house because I'm not gonna do that for a really long time. No big deal, right?
Stay tuned. We'll be back right after this message from our sponsors.
Imagine having the power to control your financial destiny, no matter where you start. Welcome to the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform, where financial education is tailored to your unique journey. We cover everything you need, from basic budgeting and saving strategies to advanced investing and retirement planning. Learn at your own pace with lessons that match your level of experience. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your financial knowledge, join our community of learners and benefit from shared insights and expert guidance. The Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform equips you with the skills and confidence to take charge of your financial future. Ready to master your finances? Enroll in our courses today at the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform. Start your path to financial independence now.
Visit us at fms.tips and fms.college for more information.
Hello and welcome to PBJ Mortgage, where your home ownership dreams become reality. Today, we want to share why choosing PBJ Mortgage is the right choice for your home financing needs. At PBJ Mortgage, we're built on a foundation of values that drive us every day. Our commitment to educate, empathize, and empower our clients sets us apart in the mortgage industry. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do, and their success stories speak volumes. With years of experience, our team possesses in-depth knowledge of the mortgage programs, ensuring you receive expert guidance and the best possible rates. We offer a diverse range of loan options to suit your unique needs, including conventional, FHA, VA, and more. No matter your situation, we've got a solution. At PBJ Mortgage, we pride ourselves on providing personalized service. Our dedicated loan officers are here to guide you every step of the way, making the process as smooth as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We understand that time is of the essence, which is why we've streamlined our processes for efficiency and convenience. Transparency and clear communication are paramount. You'll always know where you stand throughout your mortgage journey. Reach out to us today to set up a call to discover your options. If you're ready to make your home ownership dreams a reality, contact PBJ Mortgage today. Let us empower you during this exciting journey. Phone number 4693733 107 www.pbjteam.com. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. We look forward to helping you secure your future home. PBJ Mortgage, where home begins.
Thanks for your patience.
And so, again, that's the reason it depends, is that somebody should be on your side helping you navigate and dig in. It's the other reason that you shouldn't be rushing into the financing process. And what do I mean by rushing in? Quite often, homeowners or soon-to-be homeowners put the cart before the horse. So they're out like trying to look at houses and like figure all this stuff out before they've done this homework of doing their due diligence, of having some conversation with a mortgage expert. And I will tell you that it should take a little bit of time. It's not instantaneous for us to just say, okay, we looked at the application and we took 2 seconds and boom, like that's it. That's not how that should look. You want them to take their time. You want them to dig into the numbers. You want to make sure that they're accurate and correct, right? And so should it take weeks? I mean, no. We tell our clients that on average, it's 24 to 48 hours max. Is usually what it takes. If you have some weird, complicated situation scenario, might take us a little bit longer, but we're going to communicate that with you and you're going to know that. But the more time you can give us, the more ability you have to have conversations with us surrounding how these programs work, why this might work for you and that might not work for you, and trusting our expertise, the better off you're going to be, the better financial decision you're going to make, the more confident you're going to feel in the choices, the more aligned you're going to feel. Because our aim here is not to push you into some program that doesn't fit you. If you don't feel confident about your choice or your decision, then you know what? Like, that's not a good look. That's not a good look for us. That's not a good look for you. And so that's where this is coming from. We want to be able to set you up for success and to put you in a position to succeed and thrive. And whatever that is, if that's using down payment assistance programs, that's great. And if that is giving you some other avenues and options for you to work with and work through, that is also great. And so I just can't say enough that no down payment assistance programs are not a scam, although some of them do not operate in the way you think. Because I know that when most people hear down payment assistance, they hear free money. And I'm just here to tell you that that's not necessarily always the case. And the more free money that is out there or that you're hearing exist, likely the more strings that are going to come attached with it. Okay. Unless it's just some really weird, really special, really different kind of a program. Okay. And so part of the reason, because I am so much about education, I am so much about awareness, not just for our customers, but for truly anybody, is why we actually invested in Key Steps. And so you're more than welcome to go ahead and download Key Steps. That is going to be a home readiness program that is going to help you understand exactly where you are right now in your process. Where is your credit score looking like? Where's your income looking like? And it can help you really figure out and give us a line of sight into what that looks like if you want to give us that line of sight. And so I highly, highly encourage you to utilize the resources. We have tons of them, and connect with us, schedule a call with us. Our goal and our aim is to help. We want you to succeed. We want you to succeed in a really big, bold way. And so please connect with us and understand that down payment assistance programs are awesome programs, but they don't always align with every single person's unique situation.